Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to transfer files from USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, you will see this is USB drive pin. So insert in phone that's not possible, need this connector. So after connect, C type pin is insert in phone, you will see. After insert in phone, you will see. Go to app library and click on my files app. After click on my files app, you will see USB is showing here. If you want to transfer file from USB flash drive, click on USB flash drive and you will see click on folder. Sorry, click on file and just click on this three dot icon and click on select. After click on select and click on copy, click on internal storage and click on copy here. You will see go back. So that's how you can transfer files from USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.